In this video, we're going to have a look at the job properties in Onyx 25. So I have my job imported here. This time I'm going to right click and go to job properties. So job properties is a great feature if you don't want to go through the whole job editor setup. This is just a little bit more on the fly, quick changes to your job. So you can see I've got my job name, which I can change, my media group, media name, and mode. So I can change that really nicely and quick. I can also change my cutter, my image size, my copies. I can calculate the ink usage. I can reflect the job at print time so that I mirror it when it's sent to print. I've got my rotation and I've got my mirror option there as well. As well as that, I've got my tile marks. I've got my bleed options, grommet options, and marks, including creating my contour path for my flatbed cutters. I've got workflow options, which are for basically how it's going to print, so things like deleting the job after print, my job ticket, job info, and any named colours in the job. Press OK on that, and that will then update my job with those settings. So that's a really quick way of changing the settings on your job without having to go into job editor every time for every job. So that's an overview of our job properties in Onyx 25.